In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails in Spark. Let's get straight to it. Start by opening the Spark app on your device. Give it a second to load your inbox. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the mailbox you want to search. That way your results will be exactly where you expect them. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the magnifying glass icon. This is the quickest way to access Spark's powerful search. You'll see a dedicated search view with a bar across the top ready for your query. Tap into the search bar to bring up your keyboard. Now, the great thing about Spark is that it understands natural language. That means you can type the way you think. For example, you can write something like presentation from a colleague or meeting notes with attachment, and Spark will interpret your intent and surface the most relevant emails. You don't have to memorize complicated commands to get useful results. If you want to be even more precise, you can combine operators to narrow things down. Try using from followed by a sender, add has PDF to focus on messages that include a PDF, and include a time frame like last week to limit results to recent messages. Put those together as a single search, something like from a teammate has PDF last week, and Spark will filter your inbox to match all of those conditions at once. This is especially helpful when you're digging for a specific file or a message buried in a busy thread. Keep your query simple and direct, and adjust the wording if you don't see what you need right away. As you type, you'll notice results start to update in real time. Skim the subject lines and snippets to find what stands out. When you spot the email you're looking for, simply tap it to open the full message. From there, you can read, reply, forward, or manage it like any other email. If it's not the right one, use the back arrow to return to your results and refine your search by adding or removing a word or two. That's all there is to it. Open Spark, tap the magnifying glass, use the search bar, type a plain language query, refine it with operators if needed, and then tap the email you want to open. With these steps, you'll move through your inbox with confidence and find exactly what you need in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy searching in Spark.